Hello，大家好，咁今日我哋就要嚟溫一溫 Business Environment and Management 嘅1至3課啦。我哋做下1至3課嘅 quiz 啦。咁首先我哋睇下啲 MC 先啦。我哋今次會睇 MC 都會睇 short question 嘅，係啦。咁首先第一題啦，佢而家就問啦 ，Which of the following businesses are involved in the tertiary sector 咧？咁首先我哋第一個啦，我哋嘅 toy designer 係咪個 tertiary sector 咧？咁係啦，因為佢係 provide 呢個 design services 俾一啲 customers 噶嘛。咁跟住我哋睇啦，toy factory 就唔係一個 tertiary sector 嘅，應該係一個 secondary sector 啦，係啦。咁跟住第三個就係 toy store 啦，咁 toy store 咧都係我哋嘅 tertiary sector 嚟嘅。係啦，咁因為 Toy Store 就賣 products 啦，就直接 provide services 俾 customers， 所以咧我哋呢題就係 boy， 係啦。咁跟住第二題啦，第二題問 Which of the following about sectors of the economy is correct 咧？咁佢就俾咗3個 type 你啦，即係 primary 啊、secondary 啊同埋 tertiary 啦。咁如果記得嘅話咧，我哋嘅tertiary 啦，應該就係一啲關於可能 extract natural resources 啊，即係偏向 natural resources 嘅嘢啦。跟住 secondary 就係turning 我哋嘅 raw materials 啊 into 一啲 semi finish 啊，又或者我哋嘅 finish product 係啦。咁跟住咧，我哋嘅 tertiary product 咧，應該就係類似係 providing services 啦，係啦，只要揸住呢3個嚟做，其實就冇問題啦。咁我哋其實可以用排除法嘅呢啲，即係例如我哋睇咗可能 tertiary product 先啦，最容易睇嘅。咁我哋嘅如果咁樣睇嘅話咧，咁其實我哋最後尾 provide services， 咁其實我哋都會淨係剩翻我哋嘅 medical services 啦，同埋我哋嘅 restaurant service 嘅，係啦，因為係 tertiary products 係 providing services 啊嘛。係啦，咁之後咧，我哋去到我哋嘅 secondary products 啦，咁我哋又可以排除啲啦。咁我哋其實而家剩翻 C 同埋 D 啫嘛，因為我哋 A 同埋 B 已經排除咗噶啦。咁我哋就睇下 C 同埋 D 啦。咁第二 C 咧。呢個 bread 啊 bread 可以係一個 secondary product 嚟嘅，佢可以係一個 raw materials 啊。如果係例如生產啲包類嘅嘢啊，佢可以係一個 raw materials 嚟嘅。咁但係 legal services 咧，咁其實就應該係我哋嘅 tertiary products 啦。咁所以呢一個都已經係直接可以排除咗多，係啦。咁所以我哋就會得出嘅答案係 C， 係啦。咁跟住第三個啦，我哋 Which of the following occupations are not involved in secondary production 咧？咁首先我哋逐個睇啦。我哋第一個係啦，第一個 office clerk in a garments factory 啦，咁佢係唔係喺 secondary production 咧？咁呢個唔係啦，係啦。雖然佢係一個 garment factory，即係聽落去好似係一個 secondary production 咁樣嘅嘢啦，但係佢係一個文員，即係佢都係提供一個service 俾呢個嘅，佢係提供一個 service 咯。呢個 production 嚟講嘅話，係啦，咁所以第一個就已經係 A 啦。咁我哋睇埋第二。B、C 同埋 D 啦，咁 assembly line worker in a garment factory， 咁呢個就係啦，因為佢又係真係喺個 factory 度進行一啲生產嘅，提供一啲嘅服務啦，係啦。咁跟住 C 啦，我哋嘅 chef in a restaurant 啦，咁佢都係啦，佢都係turning raw materials 啦 into 一個完整嘅菜式咁樣再提供俾啲 customers 嘅，係啦。咁 dog construction workers 都係啦。OK，咁跟住我哋就睇第4題啦。咁呢個就話咯，the contribution of the secondary sector 啦，係啦 ，secondary sector to Hong Kong's GDP has increased after the Korean War as。咁首先我哋睇下啦，the contribution has increased 啦，咁係因為啲咩咧？ 我哋首先咧，香港 A 啦，香港 is rich in raw materials 啊，咁呢個就唔係啦。香港係一定絕對唔 rich in raw materials 嘅，係啦，香港都係 import raw materials 多嘅，係啦。咁跟住咧，boy 咧，rent in Hong Kong dropped a lot 啦，咁呢個都唔係一個contribution of secondary sector 啦，係啦。咁跟住就係 C 啦 ，more people, capital and entrepreneurs 啦，即係嗰啲創業家啦，flowed from Hong Kong to flowed from China to Hong Kong 啦，由中國嚟香港啦。咁呢個係嘅，係啦，我哋同內地係越嚟越多呢啲嘅來往嘅，即係貿易上啊，又或者人員上啊，都係有好多嘅來往嘅，係啦。咁所以呢題 C 係啦，咁睇埋 dot 啦，咁 dot。Hong Kong government provide subsidy to factory owner，咁呢個就唔關韓戰事啦，係啦，同埋都唔係一個contribution of the secondary sector 啦，係啦。咁跟住咧，我哋就睇下第五題啦。第五題就話 which of the following does not belong to the four key industry 咧，就係香港嘅四大支柱，係啦。咁我哋逐個睇啦，係啦，呢啲都係要記嘅，嗰四大支柱啊，同埋仲有一個係六樣嘢，嗰個都要記嘅。咁首先 A 啦，一個係 trading and logistics，咁我哋係啦。跟住 B 啦 ，financial services 都係嘅。咁 C 咧 tourism 都係嘅，係啦。咁 D 咧 insurance 就唔係我哋嘅 four key industry 啦，咁因為我哋仲有一個，我哋有四樣嘢噶嘛，咁我哋有三個，我哋仲有一樣咧，其實應該係我哋嘅，如果記得嘅話，應該就會係我哋嘅 professional 啦，and producer services 嚟嘅，係啦，仲有一樣應該係呢樣嘢嚟嘅，咁就唔係我哋嘅 insurance 啊。OK，咁跟住我哋就睇下啲文字題啦，係啦。咁佢而家就話喎，a French company 咧就 selling accessories 啊，啲首飾啊，就例如 earrings 啊 and bracelets 啊。咁佢就話佢 has recently decided to close its branch in Hong Kong 啦，and establish an online shopping platform for Hong Kong customers 啊。咁佢就話要接咗佢嗰個鋪頭佢啦，咁就起一個online 嘅一個購物平台啦，係啦，咁佢就叫你 explain，即係解釋兩個 external factors 啦，係啦，兩個外在嘅因素啦，就會hinder 咗佢嘅 decision 啦，即係阻礙咗佢呢個 decision 去 set up 一啲嘅 online shopping platform for Hong Kong customers 啦，係啦。咁我哋如果記得啲因素嘅，其實有幾個 factors 可以寫啦，幾個 factors 都可以寫嘅。其實呢啲題目嚟講就冇話有啲好絕對嘅答案，係啦。只要你寫到個 factors，咁個 factors 之後你解釋啲原因啦，咁只要個原因係 make sense，其實就 OK 噶啦。咁可能每個 factors 我都寫過啦，係啦。咁首先咧有啲咩 factors 咧？咁我哋有一啲嘅科技因素啦 ，technological factors 啦。係啦，呢啲就最緊要你寫到個 factors 出嚟，同埋你解釋多啲，只要係合理嘅就得啦。係啦，咁例如啦，點解會阻礙到咧？例如有啲 unreliable 嘅，即係啲不被信賴嘅通訊系統啦 ，telecommunication system 啦，係啦，同埋咧可能會有啲 cyber crime 啦，有啲騙案啦。就會影響到呢個 network security 啦，係啦。通常講 technological factor 都會講話，一係佢嘅安全性，又或者係佢有冇一個呢個能力啦，可以支撐到呢一樣嘅生產啊，又或者係計劃或者活動咁樣啦。係啦，咁跟住我哋仲有一個就social and cultural factor 先，我哋寫咗係啦。social and cultural factor 都係影響到啦。 係啦。咁例如點解咧？就係咁佢係一個 French company 嚟㗎嘛。咁例如就我哋會有啲 differences in language 啦，係啦。咁又或者係一啲嘅 differences in fashion trend 啦，係啦。咁呢個都會係我哋因素嚟嘅。咁就 social 同埋 cultural 呢一樣嘢，每個都講一個咁樣啦，就再解釋多啲咁樣就 OK 噶啦，係啦。咁跟住我哋就仲有我哋嘅 political and legal factor 啦。我哋一啲嘅政治啊，又或者係啲立法嘅因素啦，係啦，喺法制層面上嘅。咁就例如可能有啲社會動盪啊，我哋叫做 social unrest 啊，係啦，其實咩都有可能嘅，只要你寫得合理就得㗎啦。social unrest in Hong Kong 啦，又或者通常你 set up 一啲呢啲嘅 system 嘅話，你會有啲好licensing 嘅 platform 啦，即係你要攞牌㗎嘛。咁如果太複雜嘅話，都會成為因素之一嘅。Complicated licensing regulation 啦，我哋話係啦。咁同埋咧，我哋最尾仲有一個嘅，我哋話其實都係最 common 啦，同埋最多嘢講就我哋 economic factor 係啦。economic factor 其實好多嘢講嘅。咁咧，例如有啲咩咧？例如係我哋可能就 credit card 嘅問題啦。如果你係 online platform 嘅話，就係 handling charge 啦，from 我哋嘅 credit card 啦，company 啦。If customers settle payment by Visa 卡啦，即係呢個例子嚟嘅啫。Visa 卡就係個例子嚟嘅啫。但係咧，佢呢個就係話，因為通常一啲公司啦，如果佢話想用唔同，例如 Alipay 啊、credit card 嗰啲合作，咁佢係要俾一個 fee 嚟嘅，因為係佢哋啲公司提供服務俾你噶嘛，佢俾一個額外嘅一啲 payment 嘅系統嚟啦，咁你都要考慮呢啲因素，會唔會係增加到你啲成本啊等等嘅，係啦。咁呢度就係一啲嘅 external factors 啦，可以記一記嘅呢度都幾可以用到，可以應用到去唔同嘅題目咁樣啦，係啦。咁跟住我哋睇啦，第二題啦，係啦，呢度就講 CEPA 嘅，就講我哋嘅 closer economic partnership arrangement 啦，係啦，佢就問你咩係邊一樣係佢嘅 main purpose 啦，去 set up 呢樣嘢，咁我哋逐個睇啦。係啦，咁首先啦，佢就話呢個CEPA 佢就 ensures 咗 all exported goods from the mainland to Hong Kong are tariff free 啦，咁呢個一定就唔係啦，係啦，佢一定唔會係ensure 到噶啦，係只不過令到大部分嘅啫，係啦，咁之後咧 oil 啦，佢就話 it ensures the flow of information between Hong Kong and mainland is free of any barriers 啦，咁呢個都唔係啦。係啦，咁佢極其量可能會增加呢個資訊嘅流通性啦，咁但係唔會話 free of any barriers 嘅，係啦。咁跟住 C 啦，就話 it facilitates the provision of services between Hong Kong and the mainland。咁呢個就係嘅，係啦。咁佢就話 it facilitates，咁的確close economic partnership arrangement 就係有更加多嘅合作啦，即係人員上有更加多嘅來往啦，咁所以都會促進到呢個嘅服務嘅提供啦，就喺兩地嘅交往之間嘅，係啦。咁跟住 dot 咧就唔係嘅，佢就話 it allows professionals in Hong Kong to start up a business 啦，in the mainland without restriction，咁係唔係嘅？係啦，都係會有限制啦，你都要跟流程去做嘅，就算有 CEPA 嘅出現。係啦，咁如果 OK 嘅話咧，我哋就去到我哋嘅後面啦，我哋繼續睇我哋嘅 MC 係啦，咁跟住第一題啦，佢就話啦，which of the following are the impacts of globalization on business 咧？咁佢就問啦，全球化到底喺 business 上有啲咩嘅影響咧？咁首先第一個啦，就係 encourage 到 specialization 啦。咁呢個係嘅，的確可以令到專門化嘅出現啦，係啦。咁由此引申更加多係啲 business 全部用晒機器嚟運作啊等等啊，係啦。咁跟住咧就第二個啦，就話 intensify 我哋嘅 competition among businesses 啦，就會唔會加強我哋嘅競爭咧？咁 globalization 係一定會加強競爭啦。咁你已經唔係同翻自己國家又或者地區嘅人鬥，咁你係同全球嚟到咗一個競爭咯，係啦。咁跟住第三個啦，就話facilitate transfer of technology between different countries 啦，咁都係有嘅，係啦。所以由此我哋因為全球化出現，就會令到各地嘅一啲技術水平都會慢慢提高。因為你一旦個地方嘅技術提高咗之後咧，咁你都會可能其他地區都會引入啊，又或者係有一啲本身技術好嘅地區，咁佢就會都可能傳輸啲技術俾其他國家咁樣咯，係啦。咁所以呢題就係多。OK，咁跟住我哋睇第二題啦。咁呢個就係 APEC 啦，就係我哋嘅 Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation 係啦。咁佢就問 which of the following is correct 啦，係啦。我哋有個 short form 嘅就叫 APEC 啦，係啦。咁佢就話啦 ，it settles trade disputes among members 啊。咁呢個係咪 APEC 會做嘅嘢咧？咁呢個唔係 APEC 會做嘅嘢嚟嘅，係啦。咁呢個咧settles trade dispute 咧，其實如果記得嘅話，應該係會另外一個啦，另外一個我哋大嘅一啲嘅組織啦，就係我哋嘅 WTO 嗰個先係 settle trade disputes 嘅一個組織嚟嘅，咁就唔係 APEC 會做嘅嘢，係啦。咁第二個啦就話 it encourages 我哋嘅 economic cooperation in the Asia Pacific region 啦。咁呢個係啦，係啦，佢字面上都有講噶啦，其實就等於成個名咁樣嘅啫，係啦。咁佢係有鼓勵啦一啲嘅經濟上嘅合作啦，喺呢啲嘅地區上面嘅。係啦，跟住我睇埋第三個啦。咁第三個咧就話 it provides 我哋嘅 financial assistance 啦，to 我哋嘅 developing countries 啦，就 for 一啲嘅 trade development 啦。咁呢個都唔係嚟嘅，係啦。咁呢個唔係我哋APEC 會做嘅嘢啦。咁所以咧，我哋呢題嘅答案就係boy，係啦，淨係我哋係 encourage 咗我哋嘅 economic cooperation 啫，係啦。通常佢會問啲問題都係會介乎喺 WTO 啊同埋 APEC 之間，咁就叫你係分清到底邊一個組織係負責啲咩咁樣，咁呢度就要記一記啦。OK，跟住我哋第三個啦，係啦，第三題，咁我哋就話啦，呢個 sole proprietorship 係啦，我哋 sole proprietorship 係咩咧？咁首先第一個啦，佢係咪有 limited liability？咁佢唔係啦，佢應該係 unlimited liability 嚟嘅，係啦。咁跟住 boy 啦 ，is solely owned by one person。咁佢的確係一個人擁有啦。佢話獨資企業，咁一定係一個人擁有嘅，係啦。咁跟住 C 啦，係咪 has one employee 咧？咁佢冇話一定係 has one employee 嘅，係啦。咁 dot 啦，咁 it's not common in Hong Kong。咁其實唔係，好多都係獨資企業嚟嘅。香港嚟講嘅話，跟住咧我就睇第四題啦。Which of the following statements 啊 about sole proprietorship is correct？ 係啦，又係問 sole proprietorship。咁我哋逐個睇啦。首先第一個。A sole proprietorship has a higher profits tax rate when compared with a limited company。咁呢個係咪咧？咁呢個就唔係啦，呢個係 lower， 應該係 lower 嘅 profit tax rate 啦。咁你冇理由 sole proprietorship 即係賺得唔夠 limited company 多，但係又要俾多啲稅㗎嘛，即係個稅率高啲，咁一定唔係啦，係啦。咁跟住 boy 啦，佢就話 a sole proprietor has unlimited liability. He may need to use his personal belongings to repay the company's debts。咁呢個係我哋上面都講過啦。咁呢個 sole proprietorship 咧，的確係要承受呢個 unlimited liability 啦。咁所以係 boy， 係啦。 咁我哋就睇下 C 啦，係啦。C 就話sole proprietorship cannot be changed to a partnership， 咁呢個就唔係啦，係啦。咁其實 sole proprietorship 同埋 partnership 都係一個冇 continuity 嘅嘢啦，係啦，要記得呢個。咁之後我哋就話 dot 啦 ，when compared with other forms of business ownership 啦，it is most costly to set up a sole proprietorship。咁呢個就調翻轉啦，係啦，你 set up 一個 sole proprietorship 係最簡單嘅，係啦。咁跟住我哋就睇第五題啦。第五題咧就話 which of the following statements about partnership is false？ 係啦。partnership 係唔啱嘅咧，咁佢就話啦，a general partner has limited liabilities 啊，咁呢個係啱噶啦，係啦，佢的確一個 general partner 係有一個 unlimited liability 嘅，係啦，跟住 boy 啦 ，there is no upper limit of number of partners in a partnership， 咁呢個都係啱嘅，係啦，佢係冇一個上限啦，大家都要至少兩個，咁先係一個 partnership。OK，咁第三個啦，佢就話 all partners in a limited partnership have limited liability 啦，咁呢個唔啱啦，佢其實應該係就算係 limited partnership，咁佢都至少 at least 有一個 general partner 啦，係啦，至少有一個 general partner 嘅，咁我哋 dot 啦，係啦，所以呢度答案係 C 嚟嘅，咁啊睇埋 dot 啦，我哋而家就話啦。A limited partner is not involved in planning and management of the business 啦，咁呢個係啱嘅，係啦，佢係唔 involve 嘅。OK，咁所以 C 係 false 啦，係啦。咁跟住我哋睇第六題啦。Which of the following is an advantage 啦？咁佢呢個係一個比較嚟嘅 of a partnership 啦 ，over sole proprietorship， 即係佢話呢個partnership 同呢個 sole proprietorship 相比，咁佢係有啲咩好處咧？咁我哋睇住 A 先啦。A partner will suffer less loss than a sole proprietor 啦。咁呢個就唔係啦，唔係一個好處嚟嘅。係啦，你唔係一定㗎啦，呢個就。咁 boy 啦 ，a partnership enjoys a lower profit tax rate。咁呢個都唔係啦，佢哋 sole proprietorship 同埋 partnership 咧係一個same 嘅 tax rate 嚟嘅。係啦，咁 C 啦 ，a general partner 咧 is not liable to the legal responsibility of a partnership 啦，but a sole proprietor is。呢個都唔係啦，因為佢係 general partner。係啦，咁 general partner 係 liable 嘅 ，limited partner 先唔係啫。係啦，咁跟住啦 ，dot 啦 ，a partnership can have division of labour while a sole proprietorship cannot 啦，呢個的確係嘅，係啦。咁 partnership 一定係至少兩個噶嘛，咁你至少兩個嘅情況下，你一定有分工呢個情況出現啦。但係 sole proprietorship 獨資就做唔到呢樣嘢啦。係啦，第七題，咁我哋就 a nominal partner 咧係咩咧？咁首先 A 啦 ，a nominal partner is an owner of a partnership。咁呢個唔係啦，名義上嘅一個 partner 唔係一個 partnership 嘅擁有者嚟嘅，係啦。咁 nominal partner 係咪有 limited liability 咧？咁佢都唔係啦，係啦。通常佢係如果佢係nominal partner 嘅話，佢通常可能有啲 reputation，所以先會想佢嚟做一個合夥人咁樣啫。咁但係佢唔會話幫呢個 partnership bear 啲咩liability，咁佢都唔會係一個 owner 嚟嘅，係啦。咁我哋 C 啦 ，C 咧 ，a nominal partner does not need to invest money into a partnership 啦。咁呢個係啦，係啦，即係佢唯一投資咗嘅其實就係佢嘅 reputation，佢嘅名譽咯。係啦，咁我同埋 dot 啦 ，dot 就話 takes part in the daily operation of a partnership，咁呢個都係唔會嘅，nominal partner 都係唔會做呢樣嘢嘅，係啦，咁係咯，佢通常呢啲 partnership 啦，就可能會考慮 general partnership 同埋 limited partnership 嘅一啲嘅分別啦，咁同埋 都有分唔同嘅 partners 啦，如果記得嘅話，有分幾種唔同嘅 partners，例如啲 sleeping partners 啊等等啦。咁所以呢啲都要記清楚佢哋特色，例如佢哋係投唔投資啊，做唔做嘢啊，係咪一個 owner 啊，又或者佢哋係 take 唔 take part in management 啊等等啦，係啦，呢啲就要溫翻佢哋嘅一啲嘅特徵啦。OK，咁跟住我哋睇下我哋嘅一啲嘅 short quiz 啦，咁佢就係問一啲嘅 limited company 嘅特徵啦。咁佢而家咧就叫你 define 呢個嘅 limited liability 係咩咧？咁其實 limited liability 咧就係一個 the maximum 啦，係啦，有上限嘅 the maximum of the loss of shareholders 啦，is only 最多咧都係 up to 佢哋嘅 up to their investment amount 啦，係啦，佢哋最多都係蝕佢哋投資嗰部分嘅啫，佢哋唔會再蝕多嘅，係啦。OK，咁跟住啦，呢度就話啦，乜 represents shareholders are the owners of a limited company 啦，whilst我哋嘅 board of director 啦 are responsible for the daily operations of a limited company 咧，咁呢個分咗兩 part 啦，一個就係 owner 啦，一個就係 responsible for 我哋嘅 daily operation 啦，係啦，咁其實呢個就係我哋其中一個 limited company 嘅特徵啦，就係我哋嘅 separation 啦 of ownership and 我哋嘅 management 啦，係啦，呢個都係啦，我哋嘅 separation of ownership and management， 咁就係講緊話，我哋 shareholders 就係我哋嘅 limited company 嘅 owner 啦，咁但係佢唔會話負責埋個 daily operation 嘅，咁而個 daily operation 咧其實就係一啲嘅 board of directors 佢哋負責嘅，係啦。OK，咁跟住咧，我就睇下啦。下面就講一個嘅 separate legal entity 啦。咁呢個特徵係成日聽噶啦。咁但係呢個係代表啲咩咧？咁 separate legal entity 啦，就代表咗呢個嘅in legal perspective 啦。咁佢哋咩兩個係 two separate 嘅 legal entities 啫？咁其實 company 啦，同埋 shareholders 咧，就係兩個分開嘅 legal entity 嚟嘅。咁所以啊，我哋嘅 shareholders 其實係 are not required to bear the legal responsibility 啦，係啦，即係你唔會話啊買咗佢啲股票啊等等，咁你就要孭上一個法律責任，咁就唔使嘅。所以呢個 separate legal entity 其實就係咁樣嘅一個作用，係啦，就係其中一個 limited company 嘅特徵嚟嘅。OK，咁跟住我哋就睇下 franchise 啦。OK，咁佢就問啦 ，which of the following are the advantage 好處 of joining a franchise？ 係啦，咁一啲嘅經營權啦，特許經營權啦，係啦。咁我哋首先第一個啦，佢就話higher degree of freedom, operation and management。咁佢係咪 join 咗一個 franchise？其實係唔會有一個 freedom 噶嘛，咁因為你有好多嘅限制啦，可能你營運嘅模式啊，甚至係一啲嘅配方等等，咁你都係有限制噶嘛，咁所以就唔係high degree of freedom 啦。咁第二啦，我哋可以 operate with a reputable brand name 啦，咁的確嘅 join 咗 franchise 其實就係為咗要佢嘅聲譽啦，咁佢本身已經特有嘅一啲嘅顧客群啊，咁都可以吸納到嘅。咁第三個啦，咁佢就話 can share some common expenses with other franchisees 啊，咁都係啦。咁如果有 other franchisees 佢都係 join 咗呢個 franchise 嘅話咧，咁其實呢啲嘅 expenses 就可以一齊嚟分擔啦，咁就唔使自己一個孭咁樣。係啦，咁第四個啦，就 join 呢個 franchise 係咪可以 earn steady income 咧？咁一定唔係啦，佢冇話一定可以 earn 到 steady income 啦。係啦，如果一定可以 earn 到 steady income，咁呢個係一定係一個必做嘅嘢啦。咁但係 做生意就係會有風險，係啦。咁所以題係 C。OK，咁跟住我哋就睇下啦。佢而家就叫你俾啲 example of franchise in Hong Kong 啦。咁香港有啲咩特許經營權嘅一啲嘅例子咧？咁其實都好 common 嘅一個啦，就係我哋嘅71啦。71一定係特許經營嘅一個其中一個例子啦，係啦。咁跟住仲有一啲嘅台式飲品鋪啦，例如係 Tiger Sugar 啦，係啦，老虎堂啦。或者貢茶呢啲啦，係啦，呢啲都係我哋嘅特許經營權嘅一啲例子嚟嘅，係咯。咁跟住啦，佢就而家就問你 set up 一個 franchise 嘅 procedure 係點咧？咁首先第一個啦，franchisee 就要俾一個乜嘢 to the franchiser 咧？咁答案就係俾一個 franchise fee 啦，係啦。你要獲得呢個經營權嘅時候，你首先要俾個 franchise fee 啦。好啦，第二個啦，咁就話 franchiser 咧就 allows the franchisee to run business under the brand name 啦，係啦，就係要個 brand name 嘅 reputation 啊嘛。咁跟住第三個啦，就話 franchiser 咧會要 provide support service to franchisees 例如啲咩咧？咁例如我哋之前講過啦，有呢個 staff training 啦。嗱，其實有好多都會 provide support services 嘅，係啦，有好多唔同種類嘅 services 啦。咁同埋咧，仲有一個好常見就係一個 sourcing of raw materials 啦，係啦，一個 raw materials 嘅來源啦，就會提供俾一啲嘅 franchisee 嘅。咁我哋之後啦，第四個咁 franchisee 就 has to follow 得乜嘢咧？During the operation 咧，咁佢哋係會簽一個叫做 franchise agreement 啦，咁所以 franchise 咧其實就係受呢個 franchise agreement 嘅限制嘅，所以都要 follow 啦，係啦。咁跟住下面啦，無論啦，即係 regardless of 乜嘢啦，franchisees 就 have to pay a certain percentage of sale as 乜乜 to franchiser 咧，咁就 regardless 無論佢嘅 profit 係幾多啦。係啦，咁佢就要俾其中一個特定嘅一個 percentage 啦，of 佢哋嘅 sales as 一個 royalties 啊，為咗一個費用就叫做 royalties 啊，to 我哋嘅 franchiser 嘅，係啦。咁跟住咧第四題啦，咁佢而家就話 Sandra 啦 plans to expand her herbal tea business by setting up franchise store in mainland China 啦。咁佢就叫你俾兩個 reason 啦，點解 Sandra 佢應該係 expand in the form of franchise store 咧？咁而唔係setting up her own stores in mainland China 咧？咁通常啲問題都係咁樣問㗎。通常話佢 set up franchise 嘅話咧，就話點解佢要 set up franchise 啊，而唔自己去開啊？咁如果另外一個問法就係點解話啲 franchisees 佢哋要 join franchise 唔係自己去起另外一個鋪頭出嚟咧？通常都係呢兩種問法，係啦。咁呢個就點答咧？咁佢就叫你俾兩個 reason 啦。咁其實有啲咩 reason 咧？咁首先就係一個快啲嘅擴張啦，係啦，我哋嘅 faster expansion 啦，同埋一個好處，除咗佢 faster expansion 之外咧。咁佢都可以係一個 lower cost 啊 fast expansion at lower cost 啊，佢自己唔使負擔咁多支出啦。咁解釋咧就係我哋嘅係啦，我哋可以 receive 到我哋嘅 investment 啦 support from the franchisee 啦，who contribute 佢哋嘅 capital 啦，同埋 other expenses 嘅。例如啦，有啲咩咧就係 share 呢個嘅 promotion expenses 啦， 係啦，一啲宣傳費用。咁如果你係有 franchise 嘅話，有 franchisee 使到㗎，咁你咪可以大家一齊 share 咯。係啦，咁同埋仲有啲咩 reason 咧？仲有啲 reason 就係 stable income 啦。係啦，咁佢 set up franchise 係一定有個收入來源㗎嘛。咁咧就係可能會 receive 一啲 franchise fee 啦。我哋啱啱前面都講過嘅。as upfront 啦 set up cost 係啦，同埋啱啱都講過啦，有一個 royalties 嘅就係 based on 佢哋嘅 profit regularly 啦，係啦，定期會收到嘅。咁所以就係一個好穩定嘅收入來源啦。咁唔同自己去起一間鋪係有呢個嘅投資嘅風險啦。咁我哋都寫多個啦。咁同埋仲有啲咩咧？因為佢係 expand 呢個嘅setting up 呢個 franchise 喺 Mainland China 啊嘛，係啦。咁咧佢就會更加容易去入到呢個市場啦。咁佢就係 easy access to 呢個嘅 Mainland China 係啦 market 啦 Mainland China market 啦。咁因為咧有啲本地嘅 franchisees 佢哋係熟悉佢哋市場嘅運作噶嘛，maybe 啦 more familiar 啦 with the business environment and practices 啦 in China 嘅，係啦。咁呢啲就係一啲嘅reasons 啦。其實只要 make sense 就得噶啦，即係你切合到一啲嘅 franchise 嘅特點啊，跟住你又解釋到融合到佢個場景啊，解釋到啊合理嘅，咁就係總之合理嘅就會俾分噶啦。OK，咁跟住咧，我就睇最尾一頁啦。我哋就睇下啲 business ethics 嘅一啲嘢，我哋嘅商業道德係啦。咁第一個就問啦，佢話 which of the following statement about 我哋嘅 stakeholders is correct？ 係啦，我哋嘅持份者係啦。咁咧 A 啦就話 stakeholders 咧就可以 share the profits of a company 啦。咁呢個唔一定啦，係啦。唔一定可以 share the profits of a company 嘅。咁亦係有唔同嘅 stakeholders 啊嘛，關於一間嘅係啦，關於一間嘅 company 啦。OK，咁跟住啦，就話我哋嘅 the government is a stakeholder，咁的確係啦 ，government 喺好多方面啦，都擔任咗一個唔同嘅角色啦，可能資源分配者啊、政策制定者，所以其實所有嘢都同政府係息息相關嘅，咁佢的確係個持份者嚟㗎啦，係啦，咁同埋 C 同埋 dot 啦。咁 creditors are stakeholders 啦 after they have been repaid。咁其實 creditors been repaid 咗之後，佢已經被還咗錢啊嘛。咁本身佢哋點解係持份者？係因為呢個 company 爭佢哋錢，咁佢哋係咪一個影響到佢哋啦？就係一個持份者啦。咁但係佢哋已經被還咗錢嘅時候，咁就唔會再係一個持份者咯。即係呢間 company 點咁都唔關佢事啦。係啦，咁之後 customers are the sales or the retailers only 啦，咁唔係啦，係啦，咁 customers 係對於本身 company 其實都係一個影響啦，係啦，咁就唔止係一啲嘅銷售商啊等等嘅，係啦，咁跟住第二題啦，呢度就話啦 all the following statement 啦 describe the similarities between business ethics and the legal responsibilities of business except 乜嘢咧？係啦，咁佢就問你一啲嘅 business ethics 啦，同埋一啲嘅 legal responsibility 嘅 similarities 係啦，咩相同之處咧？除咗咁就係they may change 啦，咁 they may change 的確係嘅，佢哋係真係會改變啦一直。咁 B 啦就話 businesses should allocate resources to managing both of them 啦，咁呢個都係啦。咁一個商家其實係應該要有一個商業道德啦，佢都要合規合法嘅，係嘛？咁 C 啦，businesses will be punished if they don't comply with both of them，即係如果佢哋唔遵從兩樣嘢。我哋嘅 business ethics 同埋我哋 legal responsibilities 都唔遵從嘅話咧，咁佢哋會 punish。咁呢個就唔係嘅，係啦。咁佢如果唔遵從一啲嘅 legal responsibilities 咧，係的確會被 punish 啦。但係一啲嘅 business ethics 係話明上係道德上嘅嘢嘛，即係其實冇一個特定嘅標準啦，亦都冇話立法去規限你啦。咁所以唔一定要遵守嘅，係啦。即係你唔遵守，你唔會被懲罰啊，又或者有啲咩嘅罰款啊等等嘅，係啦。咁咧多啦，跟住 they are both important to the success of the business 啊。咁呢個係啦，都係一樣重要嘅。OK， 咁跟住啦，我哋第三題啦，佢就話 factory XYZ 啦，佢哋就用 different boxes storage 嘅 facilities 啦，就 for 一啲 recycling。different factory wastage 啊，就去回收一啲嘅唔同嘅廢料啊，嗰啲等等啦。咁佢就話 this practice is not being used by other similar factories 啊。who use a single box and single storage facility instead 啦，係啦。咁其他 factory 都唔會咁樣做啦，唔會做啲回收咁等等啦。咁所以咧 factory XYZ 呢個 action 咧就 can be described as 一個咩咧？咁 A 啦。An example of business ethics 咁係啦，咁佢一定係一個 example of business ethics 啊，因為呢個係冇一個法例去要求佢做呢樣嘢噶嘛，咁其他 factory 都冇做嘅，咁但係佢做咗就會令到呢個環保啊更加好啊，咁佢就係有遵從到呢個嘅 business ethics 啊，咁減低對環境嘅損害。係啦，咁 boiler 係咪 legal compliance 咧？咁唔係一個 legal compliance 啊。如果 legal compliance 嘅話咧，係其他嘅 factories 都要遵從嘅。係啦，咁 C 啦，係咪 profit maximization 咧？咁呢個唔關事啦，係啦。咁 dot a violation of the code of ethics，咁呢個都唔係啦。咁反而佢唔係違反，佢而係遵從咗 code of ethics 咯，係啦。咁跟住係第四個，咁佢就叫你 suggest 三個 measures 啊，三個措施 that a company can enhance business behaviour， 係啦。business behaviour 啦 ，among its employees 啦，咁點樣 enhance 一啲嘅我哋嘅 employees 嘅 ethical behaviour 咧？咁就舉啲例子啦，係啦，咁其實只要合理就得㗎啦，同埋係咯，書上面都有啲例子，其實就記一記就冇問題。咁例如有啲咩咧，就係我哋嘅 emphasizing 啦。The importance of business ethics 啦，in 我哋嘅 recruitment 係啦，就喺你請佢嘅時候，咁你已經強調商業道德係好重要嘅，係啦，咁佢自然就會注意啲啦。咁同埋啦，我哋就有一個叫做 compelling 啦，係啦。A code of ethics， 咁通常呢個 code of ethics 咧，就係俾啲 staff 去 follow 啦，就當係一個當一個手冊嘅一樣嘢啦，係啦。For all staff to follow 啦，係啦。咁仲有啲咩咧？又或者係可以提供一啲教育啦，我哋 providing 啦，我哋嘅 educational and training courses 嘅。on business ethics 啦，係啦，提供一啲嘅講座啊，又或者係教育嘅課啊，俾佢哋上咁樣。咁我哋寫多幾個啦，係啦。仲有啲就係我哋 establishing 啦，建立一個系統啦。獎罰系統啦，係啦 appraisal system 啦，有個機制嘅，咁就可以鼓勵到呢樣嘢啦。咁就例如係獎一啲嘅 ethical practices 啦，係啦。咁獎之餘咧，都要懲罰一啲 unethical 嘅 practice 啦，係啦。咁有呢啲咁嘅例子啦。咁我哋寫多啲唔同嘅嘢啦。咁例如如果係公司層面上嚟講，咁一啲嘅 upline manager 會有啲咩可以做咧？咁就係佢哋可以做一個榜樣啦。managers 啦就可以寫一個 role model 啦。係啦。咁管理層啦 management 啦就要 demonstrate 表現到咧佢哋嘅 commitment 啦 to 呢個嘅 ethical practice 啦，係啦。咁佢哋自己都要遵從呢啲嘅規條啦，又或者係一啲嘅措施啦，係啦。咁同埋就 cooperate with government 啦，係啦。government 都有提供好多嘢嚟俾一啲嘅 business 去提升佢哋嘅business ethics 啦，係啦。例如係 taking part in activities 啦，organized by the Hong Kong Ethics Development 啦 Centre， 又或者我哋嘅 ICAC 廉政公署，係啦。香港有唔同嘅機構啦，政府有唔同嘅部門又或者機構，咁都有係provide 一啲嘅活動啦，咁你可以參與嘅，係啦。咁呢啲就係一啲可以提升employee 嘅 ethical behaviour 嘅一啲嘅例子啦。呢度就可以記一記嘅，係啦。咁今次呢份 quiz 就係咁多。